this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a thumbnail for your Scratch games. So to begin, just click hide so you can see what you're doing, and go to the backdrops, and let's say we're going to make a space game. You can do whatever you want, so I'll just look up like space, convert it to vector to make it look more HD, put some stars everywhere, like this. We could use paint.net, Photoshop, we could use basically whatever, or even the built-in Scratch painting thing. And now, let's pretend my game's just called like cat, or whatever. Let's type in cat, whatever the title is, choose whatever font you want. We're going to make a pixel, and then extend it out like that. Make sure there's room for it. So then, like, let's say you wanted to make it look a bit cooler. So put stuff around the word or the title of your game on the thumbnail to make it look cool, and then so it's surrounded by the stars. And then what you could do is, let's say I wanted the cat costume, highlight it, group it, copy it, go to the backdrops, paste it, and then you have the cat there. Let's say we wanted to make it bigger, put him on the okay. So we have this now. Let's say we wanted to get a rocket in there. Go on Google Images or whatever, but I'm just going to use this, just a sprite, and then copy. Since it's not in the game, I'll just get rid of it. It's just for looks. So then I'll just add that there. If I want to get rid of some stuff, you'll just ungroup it, and then to get rid of the stuff that you don't want. So yeah, it's basically how to make a thumbnail for your Scratch game. So what I use is paint.net because it's easy to understand. But yeah, it's basically what you do. Just do this, save it, and with the sprite, all your sprites, make sure it shows when it starts. So let's just save it there, and go to my stuff, and then have a look at this, and then that's the thumbnail right there. Well, you can't really see it here, but if you go back, it's right there. There's a glitch sometimes with it, so it shows blank page when you start it up, but not all the time. It just happens sometimes. And then when you start, there it is. And if you want to switch the backdrop when it starts, you can just do, so we have like a star background, and then what you'll do is looks, switch backdrop to stars, and then the stars on. So yeah, that's basically how to create a thumbnail in Scratch. If you enjoyed, like, share, and keep coding. Bye.